Welcome back, students, to our maths class, chapter 5, Decimal Fractions, practice set 16. In practice set 16, we will study how to multiply a decimal fraction. So, multiplication of decimal fraction, this is also simple. Now, the first sum given is if 317 multiplied by 45 is equal to 14,265, that is 14265. Then we have to find 3.17 into 4.5 is how much? Now if you see here, the first multiplication what is given and also the product is given, the answer is given. If you check the question 317 and 4 and 5, even here 317 is multiplied by 4 and 5. Only thing is they are having the decimal which the first number which is solved is not having. Okay, so in this kind of sum we don't need to do actual multiplication, but what we have to do is, see here, since the multiplication is of the same numbers 317, 317 and 45 and 4 and 5. So we'll write their answers as same. So what I'll do is, if when I write the answer, I'll write if 317 multiplied by 45 is equal to 14265 is given. Okay, then what is asked to find, that is 3.17 multiplied by 4.5 is what? Okay, now if the digits are same, leaving the decimal, if the digits are same of the first and the second sum, the answer will also be same. So what I'll do is, I'll write the answer as it is without the decimal, and now I will count how many decimal places are there altogether, both the sums, both the numbers. So in the first number there are 2 decimal places, because after decimal there are 2 digits. So in the first number there are 2 places, and in the second number there is 1 place, because after the decimal there is 1 digit. So altogether there are 3 decimal places, 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place and the 3rd decimal place. So in this particular sum altogether there are 3 decimal places. Therefore in the answer also we will put 3 decimal place. And how do we place a decimal? We count from the right hand side. So we'll count 3 places from the right hand side, 1, 2, 3. So after 3 digits we'll put a decimal. So our answer is 14.265. So without actually doing the calculation, we can get the answer in such type of sums where they have given, but you need to check whether the digits are same. So 317, 317 and 4545. The difference is only of the decimal. So decimal we are just going to count and we are going to place the decimal. So isn't it very simple? The multiplication of a decimal fraction? Yes, whenever you get a question of multiplication of a decimal fraction, we have to just normally carry out the multiplication, and finally we just have to total up the decimal places and put the decimal in the decimal particular places. Okay, now the second sum is there in the textbook, which I am giving you all for homework. So I will just discuss with you all. If you see the second sum, if 503 multiplied by 217 is equal to 109151. Okay, this is given us, which is solved. And now what is asked to find? 5.03 into 2.17 is how much? Now first we need to check whether both the questions are having same numbers. 503, 503. Yes. 217, 217. Correct. The only difference is the second one is having a decimal. So you will write the same answer, that is 109151, and you will just count the number of decimal places. Now the first number is having 2 decimal place, because after the decimal there are 2 numbers, and the second number is also having 2 decimal place, because after the decimal 2 digits are there. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all together this particular sum has 4 decimal place. So when you will write the answer, you will copy the same answer here, and from the right hand side you will count 4 decimal places and give a decimal. Okay. So the second one I am giving you all for homework, even if I have explained you how to be solved. Now the third part of practice set 16 is multiply. You can see here in the sum there are decimal, multiplication of decimal fractions. Okay, so again what we did in the first and the second, same thing here, but here they have not given us the answer, so we have to actually do the multiplication. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll write the multiplication of, instead of 2.7 multiplied by 1.4, we will multiply 27 multiplied by 14. So what we are doing is we are excluding the decimal and we are writing the same number, same digits, okay, without considering the decimal. So this is a simple multiplication. 7 fours are 28, so 2 and 8. Then 2 fours are 8 and plus 2, 10. Now we consider a 0. 1 sevens are 7, 1 twos are 2. We have to just add 8, here 7 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we have got this particular answer 378 without considering the decimal. But now when we write the answer, we have to consider the decimal. So for that we have to check total number of decimal places. That is, after the decimal, how many digits are there? So in the first case, after the decimal 1 digit, and in the second also after the decimal 1 digit. So 1 and 1 place. So 1 place and second place. So there are 2 places, decimal places. So for the answer also we have to place it at 2 decimal place. So from right hand side count 1 and 2 and put a decimal. Now after solving you can put this in the question also if you want. And finally we'll write the answer 3.78. Isn't it very simple? Okay. Now the second, since it is very simple, second and third sum is for homework. Carefully do it. Just multiply leaving the decimal, and then whatever is the answer, in that answer you have to count the decimal places of the question and just put the decimal counting the number of decimal places. Now we do the fourth one. Same method, we write both the numbers multiplication without considering the decimal. So I write 504 multiply by 07. Now 7 fours are 28, so I consider 2 here, 8 here. 7 zeros are 0, plus 2 is 2. 7 fives are 35. 0. 0 multiplied by any number is 0. 0 fours are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 fives are 0. Now the answer is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 0 is 5. And this is 3. Now we have to count the decimal places. So if you see here the first and the second number, first number has 2 decimal place and the second number has 1 decimal place. So 1, 2 and 3, all together 3 decimal places. Remember, we have to count together both the numbers decimal place we have to count. So 1, 2 and 3. So from the right hand side count 3. 1, 2, 3 and then put a decimal. And after solving, if you want, You can put a decimal in the question also. And now I write the answer 3.528. Homework. Complete the sums from practice set in your notebook. Thank you.